morning, St. Martins. So today we are going to be having a look at division word problems. So we're following on from our lesson yesterday on solving division number sentences. What I've done is I've put some words up on the board here to show you what we're looking for when reading word problems that will show us division. So these are our division keywords. We have got split, share equally, equal parts, each, groups of, how many in each, and divide. So when we see those, we know that we're going to be dividing. Now, we need to remember something else. We need to remember when we're reading our word problems, we need to remember to use rucksack. That means we need to read the question very carefully. We need to make sure we understand it. We can do that by underlining our keywords. We need to choose what operation of number we're going to use. Operation of number means are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Then once we've chosen what we're going to do, we need to solve it. So we need to use our strategies to solve to find the answer, which is our next one. Once we've found the answer, we need to check that we've got it right. We can do this in a couple of different ways by using another strategy, reading over it again, or finding the inverse. So this is our first number problem, word problem. In the PE cupboard, there are 25 tennis balls. Miss Collin gives out the tennis balls to 5 groups. How many balls do each group get? Okay, let's have a go. So there are 25 tennis balls. That's an important number, so I'm going to write it down. And Miss Collins gives out the tennis balls to 5 groups. That's another important number. How many balls do each group get? Each group, that was our keyword for dividing. So we're going to divide. 25 divided by 5. So I need to draw 5 circles. And I need to share 25 into them equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Now I count how many dots are in just one circle. So I've got 5 there. So my answer to 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Mia has 5 horses on her farm. She has 30 apples to share between them. How many apples does each horse get? Alright, I've seen the word each there again, which means that we're going to be dividing, and I can spot my 2 numbers that I will be working with. Let's have a check again. So Mia has 5 horses and 30 apples to share. Share is another keyword. So we always need to do dividing when we say sharing. So 30 divided by 5. So I draw 5 circles because I've got 5 horses and I want to give them the same amount, so I need to share 30 in equally, and I do that by doing these dots. Now we need to make sure that we're doing it carefully so we're not overlapping so we can get the right answer. Now I need to count how many dots in one group. I have got 6 over there, so my answer will be 6. We can check this by using our fingers and counting in 5s. We're going to count in 5s until we get to 30. Okay, let's have a go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I've got 6 fingers, so my answer is 6, which means that it is correct. Miss Honey has 120 fizzy sweets. She puts 10 sweets in each bag. How many sweets does she have? Right, I can see my 2 key numbers, and there's the word each, which means that we'll be dividing. Now, 120 is my important number, and 10, and I am dividing. Now, I can draw 10 circles, but then I have to count to 120. No, that's going to take way too long. We know a trick. We take off the 0 because we're dividing by 10. So now we've just got 12 left, and that will be our answer. Another way to do this is to draw sticks that represent our tens and count in tens till we get to 120. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now I count my sticks and and I have got 12. So my answer will be 12. My next one, what I would like you to do is to read this one yourself and have a go at solving it on a bit of paper. I'll wait for a minute and then we can come back and do it together. Alright, let's go through it together. The baker puts 2 iced flowers on each cake. She uses 16 iced flowers. How many cakes has she baked? So we've got the number 2 there, so I want to write that. And we've also got the number 16. You can see they're nice and bold. So we've got 16 and 2. Wants to know on each cake, so we are dividing. 16 divided by 2. So I draw 2 circles and I share 16 into them equally. Then I count how many are in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8. Let's check that by doing the inverse. I've got 2 groups and there are 8 in each group. I'm going to do an array to see. So I've got 1 group of 8 and 2 groups of 8. Then I will count in 2s to get 16. So my answer is correct. So what I would like you to do today is you are going to solve some division word problems. Okay, they'll be up on Class Dojo and on DV Primary for you. Now I would like you to show your working out and as a challenge see if you can do the inverse. If you have any questions, go back and watch the video again, or you can contact myself or Miss Hodis over Dojo messages. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy! Bye!